With diverse flora and fauna, magnificent natural landscapes, and an ecological biosphere that supports life, this wondrous planet is our earthly home. From our animal co-inhabitants to the lush rainforests and life-giving soil, we cherish all these as gifts from the Creator. It is a common theme in the world's major faiths that during our temporary stay here we should be good stewards of Mother Earth. Throughout the years, Supreme Master Ching Hai has shared the message of leading a balanced life while following a spiritual path. Not only must we nourish our spirits, but we share the responsibility to care for nature and our fellow beings. In light of recent scientific evidence which pinpoint the raising of livestock as the #1 contributor to climate change, Supreme Master Ching Hai affirms the important message she has noted for over the past 2 decades. We must be vegetarian, meaning an animal-free diet, and practice sustainable living. Today we present to you a discussion by Supreme Master Ching Hai titled Organic Farming Restores the Healthy Balance of the Planet, a compilation of excerpts from Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures concerning the importance of planting organic vegetables and fruits, the detrimental impacts of the meat diet on human health, the environment, and ultimately the health of our planet.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For free of charge guidance, please visit www.godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
I think if you have garden, you should plant more fruit trees. And food, make it become a habit. You know, food that is easy to plant, short-term harvest, and plenty of vitamin and, nutrition already. You try to plant those vegetables that bear fruit, like beans, pumpkin stuff, cucumber, those things that bear fruit and simple, easy, yeah? So it become a habit. And then you eat your own produce. And it's also good for the time being because we're short of food everywhere. It's good to be independent, okay? In case something happens, you will have sufficient food for yourself, okay? Plant a lot of fruit trees wherever you can, a different season, okay? And those vegetables, that's easy to harvest and quick and not too much water. Right now we still have water, but then you plant also all kind, okay? Yeah, what's simple? Corn and all that takes too long, but beans you can eat and live well with it. It's a vegetable as well as a protein provider. You see it in one. For example, beans, any kind of beans. Yes. And all kind of fruit, yeah, fruit tree that give you fruit. And if you don't eat it enough, you make it into like jam or pickle fruits. Chutney? You make chutney, okay. And you make something and put in a jar or deep freeze, something like that, yeah? Or like pickle, and it lasts long. Then you can eat them when the season's out. Yes. It's better to eat your own produce. And God say in the Bible that you should sweat yourself for your food. That's why one of the happiest marriage is for the farmers. According to research. It's serious, huh? You plant your food, okay? Plant whatever, easy, simple, but plentiful of nutrition and always easy and always can plant again and again. Of course you can plant a variety, but to be sure, concentrate on those that have protein and fiber and vegetable at the same time, like beans and fruit. Beans easy to plant. If you have a fence, you just put your finger in the ground, put a bean, and then it will grow in no time. And a lot of beans will come out. And you eat some and you leave some for the next planting season, eh? And very cheap, easy to plant. You don't even need to take care much. I remember I planted some beans when I was in Germany, I just put it around the fence and it grows so much. Yeah, so easy. It grows so fast, I did not remember I have to water them. I did not. I just come out. And tomatoes and all, they grow in abundance. Especially if you have trees. Of course, when you plant trees, there are also leaves falling down in the fall. And you rack them together. You put it in the hole that you dig in the ground. And there's some leaves and some earth, some leaf and some earth like that. And afterward, it become beautiful compost. And then you just put it into your use again, planting vegetable. Or if you have to cut grasses, then you use the grass also, yeah? And your waste of vegetable, the peel and the old leaves and whatever, you put them all together in there. And it become a very, very useful compost. Try to be independent from now on, okay? Do not complain about food shortage and food expenses. Do it yourself. Even you have balcony, you can plant it. From now on, try to use useful trees and plants together with beauty. For example, the cherry tree, they are so beautifully flowering in the season. And apple tree is also beautiful flower, all kind of that like that. And on the balcony, instead of planting something for fun, you can plant it for eating as well. I have a little pot like this, and it's a tangerine. My God, he keep growing. So much tangerine in such a small tree about this size. So much. Hundreds of them. And so beautiful. Just in a pot. Nowadays, maybe you could even buy fertilizer if you don't want to make compost, or if you don't have. Buy those organic fertilizer, They make it very simple, easy, and doesn't smell that bad or anything. So you can even plant it on your balcony. Make it a habit, okay? Make it a habit. Don't wait. Don't wait until you don't have food. Do it now, okay? Even if the world go back to normal and have food, at least you always have your food, no harm, no? It takes a few minutes to do these things. Even half an hour a day, you have plenty on your balcony, your favorite food. Simple one, not like potato and all that on the balcony, please. Salad or herbs, just experiment and have fun, okay? Yeah. Have fun, read some books how to plant, or go supermarket. Every packet they tell you what year or what month of the year to plant and from when to when they will grow and harvest. So you know the timing of it. If you don't want it too long, 3 months, you pick those with 2 months, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Yeah, it's fun to grow your own vegetable. Even grow salad on balcony is plenty for you to eat. You don't eat salad every day, so you just grow some and then it lasts you at least a week or a month. And then you plant another one. Take turn like that and you always have something to eat. So it's a better way to be independent. Or if you have a flat roof, you plant up there. You don't plant everywhere, but you can use some plastic box or something, or a ceramic box and fill it with earth, fill your compost and just keep planting. Very fun. You go out and see the whole roof is green and eatable. Beautiful. It's really beautiful. I don't have much time, otherwise I like to plant things myself. It's very, very nice. You can use your hand, a magic hand, like every day turn the empty plot into something useful and nutritious. Even if you don't have much land, sometimes just a little bit garden, you can do it. And take turn, you see? And plant it and then pickle it, and plant another one. If you don't eat right away, you can pickle it and save it in the cellar or something. Or put it in the cold area, yeah. In Europe, almost everywhere is cold, so don't even need a fridge. You put outside. I also tell Malay people to do that. They're planting something. And I have eaten some of their stuff for the first time. Before we plant, but the worms eat them, And now they're doing something, the worm don't come. There are some plants you can mix together with your plant to repel those insects or something if you don't want them.